You okay, everybody? It's time for Girl Talk. The article in our discussion this morning states that being submissive is a misunderstood concept. This morning, Harris and I will be discussing being a submissive woman with excerpts from two sources, articles on lotsandlove.com and an article written by Melissa Smith on LinkedIn. Time to unpack. Bring your suitcase, your grip, and your dulcimina.
Oh, Lord.
It is time to talk. Why successful women need to be submissive.
Oh, so now we're picking on successful women. Couldn't this be women?
Yeah, well, okay. So lostandloveco.com says being submissive is a misunderstood concept. To make it simple, it means that you'll happily do what your partner wants as long as you are not coerced or forced into doing something. Healthy relationships involving both partners being happy, so why should that change? One of the reasons women get angry at the word submissive is because it implies being under someone's thumb. A healthy relationship is based on mutual love and respect, not where one party rules over the other. So it says women should be submissive because it means that we trust our partner with everything in our lives. When you trust someone enough to let them take control, you are capable of putting that part of your life on autopilot. Okay. Yes, there will be things which pop up unexpectedly and you might need some guidance or want it to be enforced. But in the day-to-day interactions, when you're with someone you love and trust completely, submission is the freedom from having to be the one making all the decisions. Harris, over to you.
Right. So there are some important things that have been said in this thing here. Because it means that if you are going to trust someone enough for them to take control, it means that they must also be capable of bearing that responsibility. And so I find that a lot of people want women to be submissive, but the other end do what it's supposed to do, you know. So you want me to be submissive, but still me have to do everything, and me have to follow up everything, and me have to make sure everything is done properly, and me, that submission not working. That I like what she said, because it says you're capable of putting that part of your life on autopilot, but you can't if the pilot don't have a license.
Cannot fly the plane.
If the pilot don't have a license, I crash, your life I go crash. And that's the part.